Hello everyone. Now let us see how we can draw the polar plot for different transfer functions directly according to the type and order of the system. In first example, we have drawn polar plot for type 0 order 1 system or according to given transfer function. Similarly, in second example, we have drawn a polar plot for type 1 order 2 system or for given transfer function. Similarly, in third example, we have drawn a polar plot for type 0 order 2 system or for given transfer function. So if we compare polar plot 1 and polar plot 2, we can say when a pole is added at the origin, head and tail of polar plot shift by 90 degree in clockwise direction. Already I have told you. If we compare polar plot 1 and polar plot 3, we can say when a pole on real axis is added, head of polar plot shift by 90 degree in clockwise direction and tail will remain at the same position. Already I have told you. From all three, we can say that tail of polar plot is determined by type of the system and head of polar plot is determined by order of the system. We can say tail of polar plot is determined by type of the system and head of polar plot is determined by order of the system. One important point is also there for order 2 system. For order 2 system, head is always oriented at minus 180 degree irrespective of type of the system. Irrespective of type of the system. Now let us see conclusion according to the quadrants. So based on type and order of the system, we can draw the polar plot in different quadrants. So this is for type 0 system. This is for type 1 system. This line will define type 0 system. This line will define for type 1 system. This line will define for type 2 system, and this line will define for type 3 system. Now let us see order, how we can define. This quadrant will define order 1 system, you can say fourth quadrant, and this quadrant will define order 2 system, or you can say third quadrant. This quadrant will define order 3 system, or you can say second quadrant, and this quadrant will define order 4 system, or you can say first quadrant. With the help of this, we can directly plot the polar plot for any transfer function according to type and order of the system. Now let us verify polar plot for the first example, that means for type 0 order 1 system. Type 0 means we will start from this line order 1 order burn means polar plot will draw in fourth quadrant. So simply we will join the point for omega equal to 0 and the point for omega equal to infinity. Then we have a polar plot for type 0 order 1 system. Now let us verify for second example, type 1 order 1 system. So this line will define a type 1 system, type 1 system, and order 2 means plot. We will draw the plot in third quadrant. So we have polar plot for type 1 order 2 system. So with the help of this concept, we can draw the polar plot for any transfer function. Now let us consider type 0 order 3 system. For example, let us consider type 0 order 3 system. Now let us see transfer function, how we can write. We can write a general transfer function according to 1 over 1 plus st1, 1 plus st2, 1 plus st3. So it is type 0 system. So this will define real value, this will define imaginary value, 0 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree. Type 0 means we will start a polar plot. We will start polar plot from line at 0 degree, and order 3 means polar plot will lie in second quadrant. This will define for order 1, this will define for order 2, this will define for order 3. Okay, and at a starting point we have omega equal to 0, and at ending point we have omega equal to infinity. Here we have angle 0 degree, and here we have angle minus 270 degree. So let us join. So this is a polar plot for the type 0 order 3 system. Now let us consider type 1 order 1 system. Type 1 order 1 system. Type 1 order 1 system means we can write transfer function as 1 by s. We can write transfer function as 1 by s. So type 1 order 1 means how we can draw. Let us see. It will define real value, it will define imaginary value, 0 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree. Type 1 order 1. Type 1 order 1. And here we have type 1 order 1 means this line will define type 1, right? Order 1 means for fourth quadrant, but both values are same. So we have a plot on line of angle minus 90 degree. Here we have omega equal to 0. Here we have omega equal to infinity. Let us verify. We can write g j omega as 1 over j omega. So magnitude becomes 1 over omega. Phase angle becomes minus 90 degree. That means for omega equal to 0, we have phase angle minus 90 degree. For omega equal to infinity, we have phase of value minus 90 degree. And for omega equal to 0, m is infinity, and for omega equal to infinity, m is 0. Means so this will define omega equal to 0. Here we have m equal to infinity. This will define omega equal to infinity. Here we have m equal to 0. But angle will remain same. That's why we have a starting point at line of angle minus 90 degree. We have ending point at line of angle minus 90 डिग्री. तो इस टाइप के न्यूमेरिकल में थोड़ा सा आपको देखना है, जहाँ पर टाइप 1 हो, ऑर्डर 1 हो, तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखकर इसको बनाना है. Let us consider one more example. Suppose type 1 order 2 already I think we have drawn. Now let us consider type 1 order 4. Type 1 order 4. Let us consider type 1 order 4 system. Transfer function, how we can write? We can write with the help of 1 over. Type 1 means S. Order 4 means 1 plus st1, 1 plus st2, 1 plus st3. So draw the polar plot. This will define real, this will define imaginary. 0 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree. This is type 1 system. So for type 1 system means this is for type 0, this is for type 1, this is for type 2, this is for type 3. Type 3. Here we have type 1 system. So in second example, we have drawn polar plot for type 1 system, and polar plot for type 1 system. For type 1 system will start from here. Order 4 means this is for order 1, order 2, order 3, order 4. So this is a polar plot for type 1 order 4 system. Here we have omega equal to 0, m we have infinity, m we have infinity. Here we have omega equal to infinity, m we have 0, m we have 0. Similarly we can define polar plot for any transfer function according to type and order of the system. Let us consider one more transfer function. Suppose type 2 order 4 system. Type 2 order 4 system. We can write transfer function as g of s equal to type 2 means s square. Order 4 means s square already we have, so we have two more terms. First 1 plus st1, second 1 plus st2. So total we have 4 poles for the system, means order 4, and we have 2 poles at the origin, that means type 2 system. Now let us see how we can draw the polar plot for type 2 order 4 system. Horizontal will define real axis, vertical will define imaginary axis. This line will define 0 degree, this line will define minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree. Type 2 system. Type 2 means minus 180 degree line. Order 4 means first quadrant. So it will start from here, you can say, and order 4 means in first quadrant. It will end in first quadrant for m equal to 0. So here we have omega equal to infinity, magnitude we have 0. Here we have omega equal to 0, magnitude we have infinity. Magnitude we have infinity. Okay, and why I am not define this point on the line of angle minus 180 degree? Because we have m equal to infinity. That means this point will start, or polar plot will start for omega equal to 0 for m equal to infinity. So we can draw the polar plot for type 2 order 4 system. Similarly, we can draw the polar plot for different transfer functions according to the type and order of the system. But जब भी एग्जाम में पूछा जाएगा, आपको प्रॉपरली सारे स्टेप्स दिखाने हैं. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट gj omega after putting s equal to j omega. Then we will calculate magnitude of gj omega. Then we will calculate phase of gj omega. After that we will calculate magnitude and phase for omega equal to 0 and for omega equal to infinity. You can consider any value between omega equal to 0 and omega equal to infinity. It is up to you. After that we can draw the polar plot according to values of magnitude and phase for omega equal to 0 and omega equal to infinity. Thank you, and we will discuss numerical for stability using polar plot in next video class. Thank you.